Hello, this is a video tour of 1880 Steiner Street. We're at the exterior of the building. It's walking distance to Japantown, to the Fillmore District, and so much more. Okay, so the intercom system is over here to the left. As we enter the building, you walk into this nice big lobby. There's also a nice long ramp. Your mailboxes are to the left here, and package deliveries are left here as well. Okay, so let's take a look at the garage. This comes with 1-car parking. There are 2 levels to the garage. There's also an elevator, and we're going to take this up to the first floor. Okay, straight ahead is the unit. However, I'm going to show you the courtyard first. Over here is the trash room, and straight ahead over here is the shared outdoor patio. And this goes all the way back. This is shared between all the occupants in the building. Okay, now we're going to head on into the unit. This is a lovely, spacious studio with renovated kitchen. Right as you walk in to Unit 109, you'll see stackable private laundry machines in the unit. To the left is the full bathroom, so you have your toilet, sink, bathtub and shower combination. And here is the main room. You will see the kitchen with gas range. There is a dishwasher and refrigerator, stone counters, and it is somewhat open to this lovely space here. Okay, if you're interested in this unit, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks so much and have a great day.